burned down. Getting lost in the blizzard. Need to head toward the gunfire.
Fighting us was a mistake, Spider-Man!
Miles, can you hear me? Yankee, I'm headed east. Where are you?
Hiding in Teo's bodega. It's got really bad. You gotta get...
They're in Teo's bodega. I'm close, but I need to take care of Roxxon and the underground before the streets are safe.
Keep everyone away from the plaza! Stay away from his electricity!
They're still fighting down there. Teo's bodega's up there. Man, I hope Spider-Man's okay.
All units, get orders on 4th Avenue! Neutralizing Spider-Man!
Seems like this is the heart of the fighting. Gotta stop them here.
Engaging hostile!
Where all these guys come from?
Open fire on the
Combat assistance.
End this.
Don't let him hit you!
Combat system engaged. Returning to the zone of non-existence.
Yankee! Yankee, where are you? Can you guys make a break for it?
Who's that? Someone there?
Guys! Guys! Listen, hey! We need to get out of here. But I can only carry some of you. What? Oh, she started already.
Spider-Man sighted. Get out of here, young blood!
Whoa.
You've got more important things to do.
He's right. Go. We'll get people clear.
I'll be back.
I know. Okay, people! Check every door! We don't leave anyone behind!
No! You don't know what you're doing!
They deserve what's coming to them!
No! The reactor! Krieger changed the specs. You're not just gonna destroy Roxxon Plaza. You're gonna vaporize all of Harlem!
I'm not gonna let you lie to me again! You're too late.
let you do this.
I can't let you stop me.
Don't you see what the reactor's doing?
Destroying the plaza! Tearing down Krieger's monument!
If the plaza melts down, it'll take Harlem with it!
Who fed you that? Krieger? I ran the numbers! Keep dodging! See if it helps!
Why won't you listen to me?
Krieger couldn't change the reactor! He's not that smart!
He's smart enough! Let me stop this! Why can't you just admit you're wrong?
Maybe because I'm not! Quit moving!
The Finn I knew cared more about protecting people than punishing them.
It's the same thing!
Please, Finn, I'm telling you the truth.
That's a first!
I shouldn't have lied to you about getting into the underground. If I could go back...
You can't! Stand still!
I don't want to do this, Finn!
Then stop! Leave! Stay back!
I don't want to fight. We'll talk. After I disable the reactor. Finn, look! The reactor's still going critical. Soon we won't be able to stop it.
I am not running away again! You are the one person I needed on my side!
I am on your side. We can take down Rockstone with what we know about Newform.
It won't work! No one cares! How do you move so fast?
Did you feel that? We have to stop the reactor.
I've beaten you before! I'll do it again!
Not this time.
Not this time! Get away! Hologram? Really? Give me a break!
That won't keep her locked down for long.
Not getting rid of me that easy!
That won't keep her locked down for long.
Oh, hey, Battle Royale, my favorite. Just wanted to chime in and let you know, so you don't worry. We're gonna be just fine if this building blows. Hell, we'll be fine if all of Harlem blows. I mean, do you have any idea what kind of insurance we got? Oh, the optics being the victims of a terrorist attack? Forget Roxxon Plaza. Coming soon, Roxxon City. All right, later, kid.
I have to stop him!
Not like this! Did you feel that? We have to stop the reactor!
Fine! We'll get serious!
I know about the promise you made to Rick, but he wouldn't want...
Just stop, Miles! Stop!
Not till you do!
Keep dodging! See if it helps!
You wanted the truth? Here it is! Rick would have hated that you turned into the Tinkerer!
Shut up! You love Rick too! How can you defend his murderer?
I'm not! But I can't sacrifice Harlem to take down Krieger!
That's not what I'm doing!
It is! Even if you won't see it! I don't want to do this, Finn!
You can't beat me!
Please, Finn! I'm telling you the truth!
That's a first!
I shouldn't have lied to you about getting into the underground. If I could go back...
You can't! How do you move so fast?
There! You hurt Krieger! The only people you're hurting are the ones in Harlem!
Krieger was lying. He had to be!
The more weapons you build, the more I'll destroy!
Quick, move it!
I gave you every chance to leave.
Don't make me kill you! You can't win! Why do you keep fighting?
Because... I'm... Spider-Man! Death wheel! Okay!
Nice try, Miles!
Need to dodge those!
This shouldn't be happening.
I can stop it! Ben!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get them far away. I can't hold this in much longer. What are you...
It's okay.
I can't.
Just let go. Let go.
Okay.
We're safe. All of us.
He's so young.
Hey, get out of here, kid. We'll take care of them.
Did you see his face?
You did good, Spider-Man.
Thanks.
Who is he?
That guy? He's our Spider-Man.
Come on, those are clearly deep fakes. They're deep fakes. You understand me? Do you have any idea who I am? I will own you.
Yeah, we know who you
I
are.
will own you. Do you hear me?
That's right, friends. Simon Krieger is in prison. Aaron Davis, aka the Prowler, flipped on him and Roxxon. Davis will serve time, but could get a reduced sentence. I think we can all learn something from what happened in Harlem. Together, we're stronger. And that having your own neighborhood Spider-Man is pretty great.
Looking good, Haley. Hey!
All right, man.
See you around.
Hey kid, what are you up to?
Signing up for a shift, obviously.
Good on ya. But see you after break.
See ya. Hey man, what's up? I'm all right, man. I'm good. I'll see you around.
Man, I still can't get over that suit. So cool.
Gotta be me.
Yeah, you do.
Pete, does this job ever get easier?
Some of it, yeah. Some things never get easier, though.
Roxxon did this uptown because they saw us as disposable. Me, Rick, Finn, all of Harlem. I think part of our job is making sure they can't get away with it.
We'll add it to the Spider-Man oath. Go time?
Go time.
residents of Harlem are still feeling the effects of the recent citywide uprising of the group known as the Underground. While the Roxxon Corporation deals with a rash of lawsuits, newly elected City Councilwoman Rio Morales addressed the media yesterday to make a plea for additional public funds to assist with the...
Vitals are good, circulatory system healthy, brain activity normal.
He's been in there long enough.
Mr. Osborn, I understand he's your son, but his disease could...
Kurt.
But we may be underestimating the potential danger.
I said... Get him out! Now!
Goodbye, Finn.
Hey, Ma, you busy?
Not too busy. What's going on?
I just left Trinity Church. And I was thinking about Finn. And...
Tell me about it.
She saved my life and yours. Everybody's. But she's the one who put us in danger in the first place. But after seeing what happened to Rick, I get why she did it.
People are messy. Take your Uncle Aaron. He's the reason Krieger's in jail. And he helped us get people out of Harlem. But every time I look at him, I think of all the pain he put your dad through.
Yeah.
You don't need to make a judgment on Finn's life, mijo. Or her death. Just remember who she was, and why you loved her.
You always know what to say.
That's my job. Call me back if you need me.